YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We're here yet to bring you another review. You've seen reviews of this shoe, over and over on the internet right now. I got this pair from Manière, and I've had this pair for a while, but I also hit on Nike, so that pair should be here shortly. I didn't want more than one pair of these shoes. I just wanted to order my pair off of Nike because I got exclusive access. So anytime I get exclusive access, whether it be from JD Sports, Nike, or whatever, I always try to go for it, because I feel like if they give you exclusive access and you don't go for it, they penalize you somewhere down in the line. So I was like, you give me exclusive access, so I'm gonna go for them. Plus, with the shipping on the Manières, you never can tell, if they're gonna be on time or be late. But for some reason, the shipping this time was like 2 days on Manière. So good job, Manière, on the shipping. Appreciate you. Nike, that should be here shortly. But we got a pair to review, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I haven't even unboxed this pair yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna get right into the review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the channel, and stay tuned, because we're gonna give you a full review of the shoe, and we're gonna give you an on foot. All right. Blade. All right. Let's get them open. Okay. Yeah, it's a little different. Throw that over there. All right, cool. So here we have it. Air Jordan 3. I don't even know how to actually. I'm gonna just hold it up like this. Here we go. Air Jordan 3 Manière. Let's get into the review. All right, so let's start off with the box. Now, of course, this pair is called the Manière 3 While You Were Sleeping. It's part of a series, a pack that comes with like a Jordan 4. It comes with Air Max 97, Air Force Ones, and other silhouettes. So this is the first release out of that pack. So let's start off with the sizing tag. So this is a women's release, but it comes in extended sizes. So this is a women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, black, flat pewter. This is a 12 women's, which equates to a 10.5 in men's. All right, cool. So this side of the box, you got Jumpman logo. Nothing on this side of the box. Nothing on that side of the box. You got on the bottom of the box your Nike branding. And I did want to mention on this side of the box is some small details, but once you open it, you do have a Converse symbol, Jumpman, and you have a Nike symbol as well. And I believe the Converse is on there because I believe Nike owns Converse. So other than that, I'm not sure why they put a Converse symbol on there along with the Jordan and the Nike branding, but I'm pretty sure these are the three pillars of Nike. You got Nike, you got Jordan brand, and then Converse. So just wanted to add that in there. And as we open this butterfly type style box, you have a big A for Manière, and the 10 is for the 10-year anniversary of Manière. You open the lid, you have a silver back tab for the lid with A's all over it for Manière. And you got this burgundy cloth that it comes in, and be careful with this burgundy cloth. I would advise when you get your pair in, or if you have your pair in, take this cloth out of the box immediately, or put it to a point where the shoes can't touch it, because you will get some bleeding onto the shoe. When you open the box, you should have 2 layers of white paper. First layer and a single layer also to help with the bleeding and from the shoe touching the cloth. Out. And as you can see inside the box, you should have a green stamp as well. And only other thing you'll see in the box is this box is kind of awkward, so I can't really get to, but you should have your box dimensions right there in white going across. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but Yeah, and you can see, like I said, the bleeding, you can already see right here. You can see how the burgundy cloth is already bleeding onto the silver portions of the inside of the box. And you can see also right here. So like I said, when you get your pair in, take that cloth out immediately. And that's the box. The left shoe, it will come with 2 hang tags. First hang tag would be a Nike Air hang tag with this dark, like plum type of color, and Manière logo on one side, and then you'll have Manière on this side, and it does read quality goods, handle with care. And it has some writing down below, and it has Michael Jordan signature as well, as you can see, with the silver jump man. Cool. All right, so oh yeah, they do come with 2 spare of laces. So you got the sail lace here, and it comes with that like dark purple lace as well. So let's start with the outside of the shoe. Outside of the shoe, you have your burgundy hits on a forefoot and in a Nike. You have the sail on the middle of the outsole with that I'm gonna call it plum. I think that's the color that it is. I don't know if it's pewter or not, but I'm just calling it plum. So you got that dark plum on the rest of the outside of the shoe. As you move up to the midsole, you have that sail midsole, and it looks like it's a little darker than sail. It's actually, has a little tint on it where it's almost like yellowing, but it does match well and bodes well with the shoe. You do have your air pocket there, and inside of the air pocket, you got the clear air bubbles. Moving up to the upper of the shoe, you got your rough suede gray in the back here where normally the elephant print would be. You do have it on the toe cap as well. Black leather, and it's pretty good leather. I would say it's not super plush, not like a plastic leather as well. It's a premium leather, so it's like right in the middle. So it's pretty good. It's a good quality of leather, actually. Moving up to the ankle collar of the shoe, you got that dark plum color with the perforated holes. Back tab of the shoe, you got that Nike Air on that booty in that sail or yellowing type of colorway. Back of the tab, you do have some writing, and it does say do something about it. Inside of the shoe, the insole, you have a quilted sock liner, which is premium and plush. They don't have the quilted sock liner on the back of the tongue like they did on the white pair. You just have this cloth material, and it has the A's for Manière on the back of the tongue. Thinned out tongue, as you can see. Also, it's not much padding, as that quilted outliner is kind of thinned out as well. As you move to the front of the shoe, on the left shoe, you have your A for Manière, and you have this nice nubuck material on the tongue in that dark plum color, moving all the way down in your perforated hoses. Your eyelids as well has that color on it with the perforated holes. You got some eyelets right here that are in that, it looks like the burgundy crush colorway. And then we move to the toe box and black toe box. Medial side of the shoe, same. And then you have that matte black finish on the back of the heel of the shoe. Let's see here. On the laces, on the lace tips, it has work harder. So one lace tip will say, let me see if it'll focus. It says work. The other one will say harder. It does come with shoe paper in the inside of the shoe. And then you have that insole with all the A's on it. And I believe, let me see if I can take this insole out, because I believe there's a hidden message inside. I believe it's on the left shoe. So let me see if I can get this out. Yes, so inside of the left shoe, it does have while you were sleeping. You can see that. So you're getting legit pairs, or sorry, if you're getting pairs off the secondary market, just make sure you're verifying that, everything's in order. Sock liner. Insole. Standard. Go ahead and put that back in. Cool. I'm glad that was easy to get out. Sometimes they're a little bit tougher to get out. So the right shoe, same thing, lateral side, same, back of the heel, got that Nike Air, that do something about it on the back of the heel, tap, medial side the same. The only difference is on the right shoe, you have the Jumpman logo embroidered on the tongue as well. So yeah, so that was it, man. That was the review of the Manière 3 while you were sleeping. Let me hop back in front of the camera, give you my thoughts, and we're going ahead and get into the how I style and the on foot. All right, so that was the review of the Air Jordan 3 Manière while you were sleeping. You know, comment down below. Tell me what you think about the shoe. Do you think this pair is better than a white pair, or are you rocking with the white pair more than a black pair? I will say this shoe is a classic example for me of my golden rule. Never really judge a shoe until you get them in hand, because you really can't tell from pictures and things of that nature. You gotta have them in hand or on foot to see if you're really feeling the shoe. Now that I do have them in hand, these are nice. These are a nice shoe, nice. They're giving off like luxury, you know, almost, you know, a premium feel. So it almost makes me want to go and complete the set. So I will see, you know, my birthday's coming up. You know, maybe I'll get some birthday money for some shoes, or we'll see. But how I styled this shoe, I would say on a black Fear of God hat. You know, you got your accessories on, your chains, things of that nature. I have on a black retro Jordan shirt with Jordan sitting on the basketball, wearing the Jordan 3s from back in like '88. And my pants, I have on a sail pants that kind of match the midsole of the shoe. And there's some cargo pants. And put on the shoes with that. And that's how I'm gonna style this pair. I think that's a simple, clean way to style. And you know, if you want to wear shorts, kind of try to do the same. Or, you know, it's going to be hard to try to find that dark plum colorway in the shoe. Or you can wear, you know, something gray and black as well to help style the shoe. So as many different options with the shoe, and then it comes with all the extra laces, so that'll give you more options as far as, like, you know, how you want to go ahead and rock the shoe. You might want to wear a sail Manière upper or a dark plum upper shirt as well. So, yeah, with that being said, you know, comment down below, what do you think about the shoe? And you know, are you going for a pair, because they will release again tomorrow on the sneakers app and other retailers? So are you going for another pair of these? If you already have a pair, you're going for a double up, and comment down below. And you know, again, like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel, and I appreciate you for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get into the on foot.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock Manière.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.